Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on the application of Snapchat. You will click on settings, then here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about the application of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, or you can restart your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.